let's look at the values for a second. I've been dealing with values for a long time, and in the book, Inside the Box, there are a number of examples of how organizations have used their values. Recently, I'm working with one company, and there's a similar story in the book, one company that has had a employee who believed that the CEO on one of the CEO's trips said, if you do something, find a location for, it's a fast food chain, find a location for us that's successful, we'll pay you $2,000. Now, everybody knew that's still in the organization that this CEO at that time might have done that. Nobody's doubting it. However, they've been debating for 4 years whether they pay her the money. Now, this is a relatively new organization that really came together by a number of franchisees being bought out and coming together as one organization. And what happened was that their CEO decided to do the values exercise because he felt he had the leadership team in place he needed for the future. New organization, so it's one of those rare moments you get to create the culture. One of the things they came out with as one of their values is respect. And we got them to articulate it behaviorally. And then all of a sudden, one of the members of the team said, what happened with that $2,000? And the CFO said, well, we just sent her $500 with an explanation of why there was might have been a misunderstanding, but here's your $500. To a person around the table, they said, why don't you just send her the other $1,500 and an apology? Because we just define respect in such a way that that has to happen. So this is a business tool. And values I see as a business tool. That's the whole approach of the book. They make decisions, because if you make a business decision that contradicts your values, you as the leaders of the organization that did that will have employees that are quite cynical about you and the values. So here's a 4-year discussion among the executive team. Should they pay her, should they not pay her? Decided 5 minutes after they defined the values. And there are a number of stories like that in Inside the Box. And it's really about leading through values with consistency to make the organization healthy. Because it's only when the above ground values and the underground values are one and the same that you have a healthy organization.